Okay, here we are today. We are going to do the editing process. And editing is different because we are looking strictly for, I'm going to write this down, we're looking for proper punctuation, capitalization, spelling, and we're looking to make sure that our everything is formatted correctly. So we've got all of our ideas. Now we just got to make sure that it looks good. So let's begin. First off, you need to make sure that you have 2 paragraphs and that they are indented. The next thing you also have to do, remember, is you want there to be a title for this. And I'm going to name mine Turning 40. You can write favorite birthday or turning 6 or whatever, but I'm going to write Turning 40. And now I'm going to look, and I'm going to also write my name on the paper because I have kids that sometimes forget. Okay, I love birthdays. I've had so many, but one of my favorites was when I turned 40. I have a period. I have followed with a capital. It was the best day, period. I slept in, period. Then I went hiking with, I'm going to keep that. I also went hiking with my husband, period. My family came for a dinner that night, period. Later, my family showered me. Ooh, I'm thinking I have too many my families. Later, I'm going to say they. They showered me with presents. The best one was from my little sister, Tana, period. She went to 5, and I'm going to capitalize this because I want it to be like, wow, she went to 5 bakeries and bought me every kind of delectable dessert imaginable. And I think I wrote that correctly. I'll check. She then cut up everything into bite-sized sample sizes. I tried creme brulee, and I looked that up. I did spell that correctly. Chocolate mousse, and it's spelled M-O-U-S-S-E. I looked it up, and I'm looking up the word delectable. I did not spell delectable right. D-E-L-E-C-T. It's delectable. So table. So it's nice to have. I looked this up, and that is how I spell I thought it's not delectable. It's, if you see right here, it's delectable. So back to this. I tried creme brulee, spelled right, chocolate mousse, M-O-U-S-S-E, cake, berry pastries, cheesecake, and this is all one word. So that means that I'm going to put it together, and many other treats, period. It was so fun. I was incredibly happy I forgot to put this, to be alive and loved by so many people, period. And that will be my bow sentence. And so you may have more things to edit, but I want the number thing that you need to make sure is that each sentence begins with a capital and ends with a period, question mark, or exclamation mark, and that you have proper spelling. So good luck with this, guys.